Howdy everybody, Jet Scott here with Scott Speech Up, and today it's not a good day. So as you can see, the Barracuda is completely apart. And we were filming, oh look at that, it's torn on the other end. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. So we tore this entire engine down to see what was wrong. By the way, it wasn't blown head gaskets. It was stupid. You'll see that once this video eventually gets freaking done, because a company called Lunati, I'm not even going to pronounce their name right because they're a bunch of freaking jokes, bunch of clowns. I didn't know it was a clown college where they worked. Because here's our bone stock motorhome cam. And I have to refilm this because I just noticed something I screwed up on. Oh my God, look at that. Holy sh... Look at this. Look at this. You put the two cams right next to each other. That's not even a Mopar cam. See, we were having issues getting this thing to fit. Dad, you've got to see this. I thought it was just this was made wrong.
Holy crap, what are they trying to push on us?
Yeah. So if you look, if this is laser etched, I have the number taken a photo of. This number right here, this 102-30702 Voodoo cam, specs out to a 3-bolt Chrysler cam. Last time I checked, and I knew this looked kind of weird. Yeah. So the last time I filmed this, I was going off of measuring with my calipers, this journal, and I realized, oh crap, we can't do that because this goes in the back. Well, and then you immediately notice that's the size the journal should be. That's the size of that journal.
And they gave us some kind of Ford piece of shit or something?
I have no idea what this even begins to go to. I mean, there's not even a fuel pump eccentric, so this might be a small block Chrysler cam. I don't know. It's freaking small. It can't be a small block Chrysler because it wouldn't be this tiny. So I don't even have to break out the calipers to show you guys that ain't even close to being right. There's, yeah, right there. Cam, Chrysler BV8, 102-30702. Dated 3/30 of 22.
So it was made this year? It was
made this year, which explains a lot. So, yeah, I don't even have to break out the caliper to show you how screwed up this is. I mean, if you can't see the difference, what's wrong here, you should probably get your eyes checked. Oh my Lord, I can't even believe that. It's freaking insane. You know, the last time we filmed this, I was super technical. Calipers out, measuring this journal, and then I realized, well, I can't do that because it's supposed to be tapered. Well, if you notice, this is actually a little bit, I measured it, this is 202, this is like 204, 206, 208, whatever. This is tapered like it's supposed to be, but it ain't tapered right. Oh my God. Anyways, my point I'm trying to get at is we were busting our butt. We spent $2,500. We bought brand new Edelbrock aluminum heads for this thing in case there was a problem with the heads. We got new head guides. We bought everything to have this thing back together this weekend and have it running for you guys, well, and for myself too. I mean, I wanted to hear this thing run with a cool cam and the blower back on it and everything and get it all fixed. Well, here we are. You know, some other guys on YouTube like filming these parts hysteria, scaring people. I'm not doing that to scare people. I'm doing this because what in the hell, Lunati, is this? What is this even for? Because it ain't for a Chrysler, I can tell you that much. Unless it's for a small block Chrysler, because I mean, it's got the gear in the front. Oh no, it can't be for a Chrysler because that gear goes in the freaking back on a small block Chrysler. Because the distributor's in the back. And the gear doesn't go on the cam on a small block Chrysler because it's on the... I don't even know. I'm so dumbfounded. I'm sorry if I'm not making any sense because I can't even begin to understand this crap. Anna, what says you?
Well, I do not know anything about car parts and what's supposed to go in what, but that is very obviously, visibly not right.
Oh, yes.
Even for me.
Yeah. I wonder if those lifters they even sent would fit. Pause that, grab a lifter.
Okay.
So here we have one of the lifters. Now the first thing I noticed, I wasn't super, it kind of worries me a little bit, but this should have a little bit of a dome to it, just a little bit, so when it wears off, it'll be perfectly flat. Well, it's already perfectly flat. Let's just see if it even fits in the lifter board. Well, it does. Okay. So these are probably Chrysler lifters. Okay, cool. Thank you, Lunati. At least you got some part of the order right. You know, I don't know what happened to our nation, to our industry, to cause this kind of crap. But this is not acceptable. When I sell parts and I ship parts out to people, I do my utmost to make sure they get what they paid for. And more so. When I ship boxes, I make sure they're packed to survive World War III.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Anna knows. She's helped me. I'm very meticulous.
He's gone through an entire roll of packing tape to make sure that a choke horn didn't break in shipping.
Yeah, on a Holley carburetor. And I don't understand how this can even become a thing. I mean, Christ, just come with me. I know I'm just sticking on the same subject here, but how? Just freaking help me out here. Someone throw me a freaking bone. I can't drop this cam because this is the only good Chrysler cam I have right now. Like I said, I wanted to have this thing running, cam broken and everything for you guys for a video. And amidst everything else, having issues with YouTube, with video quality, and now I got a guy posing as me, scamming my viewers, trying to. My viewers are smart enough to know better than to trust some Scott Speed Shop message me on Telegram guy. You guys are awesome. Thank you for that. But seriously, careful what you buy. Anyways, so much for getting the Barracuda running this weekend and having you a freaking sweet video out in time. I guess I'll be busting my ass all next week trying to get this thing going for you guys, and hopefully we can get another cam that won't that at least somewhat is the right length. If we could at least get a cam that's the right length, that's a starting point, you know what I mean? Oh, I'm getting hysterical. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic week, because this will be out Monday more than likely for all of you. And just know this is not Jegs' fault. If you want to point the blame, any fingers, you point it here, because this is not acceptable. I wonder if even the Chrysler cam would fit in this box.
I don't know. They did have a like a plastic spacer at the bottom of that.
Anyways, guys, gals, viewers, maybe new viewers, people, be careful what you buy, because nothing is certain anymore. I'm kind of nervous about those freaking Edelbrock heads, but at least those are made in America. Who knows where this freaking cam was done? And that's also, I'll touch on this briefly, just because it's made in China, just because it's made in Mexico doesn't instantly mean it's junk, because our American made stuff can be junk too. It can all be junk. It's all junk, actually. Look at this freaking motorhome engine we're putting a cam in and a huffer on it. It's all junk. But this is junk we can't use. We need junk we can use. So please, let's get our shit together. Anyways, see you guys whenever the next time will be. Take care. Bye-bye.